10 splints of spine. Splint is a medical device, sometimes called a brace or immobilizer, used to protect, support, or immobilize an injured or inflamed part of the body, typically made from rigid materials like plastic, or metals. First one, soft cervical collar. It provides gentle support and limits the neck movement, often used for mild to moderate neck pain, whiplash, sprains and strains, as well as post-surgery or injury rehabilitation. Second one, cervical collar heart. It is used to immobilize the neck and limit movement, especially after the injury or surgery, to protect the spinal cord and promote healing. Third one, Philadelphia collar, used to immobilize the neck and prevent the head and neck movement after a cervical spine injury or during recovery from surgery, allowing the spine to heal properly. Fourth one, four-post collar, used for immobilization and stabilization of the cervical spine, particularly for conditions like fractures, dislocations, or post-operative care, providing more restriction than a standard cervical collar. Fifth one, Somi brace, used to provide support and immobilization of the neck and spine, particularly after injuries or surgeries, by controlling flexion, extension, lateral and rotational movements. Sixth one, Milwaukee brace. It is used to treat spinal deformities, mainly scoliosis, by stabilizing and preventing the progression of spinal curves, especially in growing children. Seventh one, Boston brace. It is used to treat scoliosis and other spine conditions. Also used to treat back injuries in young athletes. Eighth one is Lion brace. It is a conservative treatment for scoliosis, particularly effective for thoracic curves and double major curves, designed to correct and prevent the progression of spinal curvature through a 3-point pressure system and derotational forces. Ninth one is spine cord brace. It is a dynamic flexible brace used to treat scoliosis and hyperkyphosis in both children and adults, aiming to slow or stop the progression of spinal curvature and reduce pain and improve posture. Last and 10th one is Taylor's brace. It is also known as dorso-lumbar spinal brace. It is primarily used for immobilizing the spine and providing support, particularly in thoracic and lumbar regions, for the conditions like spinal fractures, post-surgery recovery, and conditions causing pain or instability. These are the 10 main spinal splints used. Thank you.